Hey everyone! Today we are talking about whether medicinal mushrooms lower your testosterone. Headlines claim that Reishi lowers testosterone and that medicinal mushrooms are anti-androgenic. Scientific studies from universities around the world show that these mushrooms actually support male hormones in specific ways. The effects depend on your age and fitness level and which mushroom you take. In 2005, Japanese researchers tested 19 mushroom species for their effects on an enzyme called 5-alpha reductase. This enzyme converts testosterone into dihydrotestosterone. Reishi was the strongest inhibitor because its active compounds called triterpenoids block this conversion. This means Reishi lowers dihydrotestosterone while leaving total testosterone intact. In 2018, researchers at the University of Zayeden published a study in Clinical Fire Science where male rats received 1,500 to 1,800 milligrams of Reishi extract daily for 40 days. The animals showed higher testosterone levels and increased sexual activity. Reishi raises total testosterone, but reduces dihydrotestosterone. If you want to reduce hair loss or prostate enlargement, then this effect is desirable. Researchers at Hongkwang University in Taiwan identified cordyceps as the active compound in Cordyceps. In 2011, they gave young mice cordyceps at 40 milligrams per kilogram of body weight for 7 days. Testosterone concentration rose by 391% and testes weight increased by 6%. Cordyceps works through adenosine receptors to activate a key protein that regulates steroid hormone production. Scientists at Cheng Kung University in Taiwan discovered that cordyceps mimics luteinizing hormone and human chorionic gonadotropin. These are the same hormones that signal the testes to produce testosterone. However, a study on young male weight trainers aged 19 to 25 showed that 8 weeks of cordyceps at 2,400 milligrams per day produced 0 changes in testosterone or muscle mass. This mushroom restores function rather than boosting levels that are already optimal. In 2019, researchers at Sejong University in South Korea published a study in the journal Nutrients using middle-aged rats that received cordyceps daily for 6 months. Cordyceps prevented the age-related decline in androgen receptors and luteinizing hormone receptors within the testes. It also preserved antioxidant enzymes and the anti-aging enzyme called SIRT1. Cordyceps is especially useful for older men who want to maintain natural testosterone production. The University of Pavia in Italy conducted a study on 7 amateur cyclists aged 30 to 40. For 3 months, the cyclists took 3 capsules daily containing 445 milligrams of cordyceps extract and 2 capsules containing 390 milligrams of Reishi extract. Researchers measured hormones before and after an 85-kilometer race. Supplementation boosted testosterone in well-trained athletes and prevented cortisol spikes in less fit athletes. Japanese biochemists at the University of Shizuoka found that Enokitake mushrooms deliver high amounts of adenosine, exposed mouse testicular cells to Enokitake extract, and saw testosterone increase in direct proportion to the adenosine dose. In another animal study, mice ate Enokitake extract for 10 days and maintained high testosterone even when researchers flooded their cages with water to create extreme stress. The mushroom also increased insulin-like peptide 3, which supports physical performance. White button mushrooms contain compounds that block aromatase. This enzyme converts testosterone into estrogen, so blocking it helps preserve testosterone levels in healthy tissues. Eating these common mushrooms supports testosterone by reducing its conversion into estrogen. 2015 Korean study showed that Phellinus Linteus contains hispolin, which deactivates estradiol receptors and weakens estrogen signaling in cells. This traditional Korean mushroom reduces the number of estradiol receptor alpha molecules. Taking Phellinus Linteus helps men maintain a favorable ratio of testosterone to estrogen. No medicinal mushroom tanks your testosterone. Reishi is the only one that significantly lowers dihydrotestosterone through 5-alpha reductase inhibition. High doses of alcohol-extracted Reishi concentrate the triterpenoids and reduce dihydrotestosterone the most. This benefits men concerned about male pattern baldness or prostate enlargement. Cordyceps stimulates testosterone production by mimicking luteinizing hormone. Enokitake provides adenosine, which directly drives testosterone synthesis and maintains levels during extreme stress. White button mushrooms block aromatase to prevent testosterone from turning into estrogen. Phellinus Linteus contains hispolin, which deactivates estradiol receptors and limits estrogen activity in the body. If you are a man over 35 seeking natural support, then Cordyceps and Reishi are among the most evidence-backed options available. They protect testicular function from oxidative stress and improve the testosterone to cortisol ratio. Choose Cordyceps to restore declining production in middle age. Choose Reishi if you want higher total testosterone with less dihydrotestosterone. Thank you for watching. I will see you next time.